Hello, this is Merve from KBR Kitchen and Bath. Today we're in beautiful Fairfax, Virginia, showcasing one of our latest kitchen remodeling projects. For this transformation, we started by removing a non-load-bearing wall in all the soffits, giving the space a more open and seamless feel. Next, we relocated the necessary electrical work to accommodate the new design. We extended the countertop and cabinets to create a stylish peninsula, complete with a cozy seating nook for our wonderful clients. To add a touch of charm, we installed an apron front sink, while keeping the appliances in their original, functional spots. The existing floor tiles were replaced with elegant hardwood flooring, adding warmth and sophistication to the space. We also upgraded the lighting, incorporating recessed lights and pendant fixtures to highlight key areas and enhance the overall ambiance. For the color scheme, we chose crisp white cabinetry to brighten the space, complemented by champagne bronze handles for a subtle pop of color and a modern touch. This kitchen is now a perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and style, a true reflection of our client's vision brought to life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of another successful project by KBR Kitchen and Bath.